Swachh Sagar, Surakshit Sagar campaign launched by the Ministry of Earth Sciences to clean up 75 beaches of the country over 75 days. The cleanliness and awareness campaign will run for 75 days as the country celebrates Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Indian Space Research Organisation and Aryabhat Research Institute of Observational Sciences organize a nationwide workshop on Aditya L1 mission. Information about the solar mission and observational data analysis given to students and researchers. Indian startup designs a battery-operated 3D printed prosthetic hand. This affordable prosthesis will bring new hope into the lives of the disabled whose arms have been amputated below the elbow. And commemorating the innovations that have strengthened the country's innovation ecosystem over the last 75 years, as part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, we salute the ideas and policies that have shaped our nation. Watch Science Monitor on India Science.